Oh guys, look how snowy this place is. It's so crazy, dude. Ah. Cha. Oh, wow. Oh. Actually, tulikuwa tunaishi hapa zamani. Hmm? Nilikuwa natumika hapa zamani. I like the way the weather looks. It's beautiful. Alright guys, welcome to the world of snow. As you can see, it's snowing pretty bad here in Erie again. This land here, it's always snow here, man. It's always snow here. It's always crazy here. Let me take this shot here, bro. Okay, YouTube, subscribe to my guys. Oh no. Okay guys, subscribe to my YouTube. Don't mind my English, man. Sometimes I get mixed up. It's just what it is.
Like, share, and subscribe if you need to. And send me comments if you have one. Right?
Don't believe what this guy is saying, because right now I'm the only one who's doing the work, and he's just talking.
Yeah. Look, bro, guys, Fidel is a simple guy. He's not forcing you guys to even like his account, subscribe his account. He's just asking you, if you guys can do it, do it. If you can't do it,
don't.
You don't have to, right?
Oh yeah, it's always good to just be simple, man.
Yeah.
Make life simple. Alright, this is Alpine Village. I can't read, man. Ooh. Oh, YouTube, subscribe to my alright guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Shit, we should have went straight.
Oh yeah, you lied to me, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Let's do this. Alright guys, actually my A driver here lied to me. He told me to make a right turn while we're supposed to go straight this way. So we got lost somehow.
Bro, I was just giving you some time for your videos, man.
No.
So you can sway around.
That time, you're buying my time, not just giving me a time. Alright guys, we are going on our trip again. Always tempting. Whoa guys, it's so dangerous here. So many crash going on. Careful. Whoa. Look how beautiful it looks, man. It looks beautiful right now because it's still snowing, but after a few, it's not gonna be fun. It's gonna be very slippery. Many accidents will happen because of this. Whoa, careful here, slow down. It's all clear. Alright guys, here comes our highway, I-90 east to Buffalo, and this side is to Cleveland. We are going toward Cleveland, which is the opposite of Buffalo. Oh my guy.
This guy was about to say we're going to a
my A driver. I was saying that so you freaked out, man.
And then he changed it.
Yeah, so you freaked out. Wow guys, look how crazy looks this highway looks like. You almost can't see where you are going either. Okay. Yeah, whenever I drive with this guy here, don't trust him.
Oh man.
Alright, man. Yeah, I see. This place looks so ugly, man. In summer, it's beautiful green, and look how dry the whole place looks. Okay guys, right now we are crossing another state. The highway is still snowy. As you can see on the side, still the same. There is no difference. We are approaching the Welcome to Ohio sign. It's right there ahead of us. Look closely.
The snow is gonna be bad.
It's foggy. Yeah, it is. It is foggy right now because of snow. So welcome to Ohio here. Yeah, guys, welcome to Ohio with me. All right, let's go. All right, guys, we had to stop here for gas. For fuel. We need to put more fuel in our vehicle so we can carry on with our ride, with our trip. Okay. Yeah, it looks pretty bad here. Oh no, let's go to
other side. Go there, bro.
No, let's go here. We go here because here it's clean. It's a little bit clean, you know. And if I go on the other side, my car will only fuel from this side here. Oh yeah. I've been down here too. Yeah, this is the Cuyahoga Bridge, and that is the fun place, man.
This is skiing, yeah.
Yeah, I actually did. I did the hiking around this mountain. Okay, guys, check this out. Okay, guys, check this out. I just got home. Look at the snow that I found here. Yeah, no one cleans my driveway. See, it's so crazy, dude. Just got home. Oh shit. Yeah, this is it. No one cleaned this area, so it is what it is. Okay, guys.